Hey guys, what's up? This is the prime spot to go fishing. I don't know if I posted my last one or not, but that was not the spot. This swamp area is like one of the best places to catch the diamond fish. So yeah, you're gonna want the seashell bait. Put it on. You're gonna want the screen shack here. You're gonna want to come on this island and fish closer to that bridge. I'll show you guys what I mean. Or no, not bridge, like dock. It should be like a lime green kind of color. Just like that. Oh no, now it's orange, so we gotta redo it. They're all by the bridge, by the way. Or not bridge, dock. Orange, orange, we can't have those. Nah. Are you getting any bites? Oh, there's the green ones. See? Yep, there it is. That's actually a chunky one. Okay, I'm catching one now. Absolute prime spot. What is this? I need to catch one now. Lure straight on one. Lure straight on one. That might be a good spot. Okay, he's like looking at my lure, yeah. Think I got one? Bottle? Are you serious? That was not a bottle. Okay, well, see you guys next time.